This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you're signed into the correct Google account. This ensures you're looking in the right library. Once signed in, open Google Photos and inspect Trash and Archive. Deleted items stay up to 60 days. If you can't sign in, start Account Recovery now and enable two-step verification to secure access. Make sure Device Backup and Sync is active so recent uploads appear. This first phase prevents searching the wrong account and prepares you for deeper recovery steps. Next, move into Restoration. Use Google Takeout to check if you previously exported photos, download any available archives. Then inspect all sync devices, phones, tablets, laptops, and any secondary cloud services that might hold copies. Once done, open Trash in Google Photos and use Restore for items still within 60 days. Make sure you choose original quality if available to recover full resolution files. If images were removed from cloud but exist on a device, re-upload them and confirm sync completes before proceeding. To finish, confirm recovered files appear in albums and that metadata like dates and locations are correct. If not, resync or manually edit details. If items exceed 60 days or are missing, contact Google Support for account-specific recovery. Provide account proof and timestamps. Make sure storage isn't full. Free space allows proper resync. If cloud recovery fails, consider reputable photo recovery apps on the original device drive as a last resort, but act quickly to avoid data overwrite and preserve recoverable files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.